here to warn you, be careful. Be careful what you thrift.
Can demonic spirits attach themselves to inanimate objects? The answer is yes.
We have this puppet we bought at the Goodwill bins.
I had this amazing idea. Buy a puppet from the thrift store, rip apart some other random stuffed animals, combine it all together, make a puppet that looks just like me.
It's a she, but it's gonna become a me.
I was hoping you would say that.
But I don't think every sweater you get from Goodwill has demons in it.
You have to understand, it was all in good fun, but the puppet didn't see it that way.
And I'm scalping her. This is weird. That's done. There we go. This stuff is nightmares. Look at this beard. Look at his stupid eyes. I like it. That's a head of hair.
What do you guys think? Did it turn out all right? How do I look? Ooh, can I touch you? At your own risk. Yeah! All right, let's go get something to eat. Curses! Curses be to thee! Run! We're all cursed. Peyton's appearance is forever changed. Nathan has lost his mind. Hannah is trapped in another dimension. And well, let's just say, I'm not myself sometimes.